still to come, the master Randy White himself. Grab your water. We've got an all-access pass to Big Man Camp. Let's go.
That tickled so badly. What's he doing?
Mike. Mike? What if your brother or your husband? What if your son came big on the service with his son?
You need something?
When they volunteer to serve, we expect our country